Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have my sweet Golda Rose here with me. I'm going to open a couple packages from Aliexpress. She still has that cute little hair clip from Beth Ramsden in her hair. I know it doesn't really match her outfit, but I love that thing. All right, I say before and I'll tell you again and again, open all your Aliexpress and eBay on camera because, oh good, if you have an issue with your stuff, you're going to need photos and videos and everything else you can get. I love these. These are little earrings for my Blythe and Rainbow High dolls, any of the little fashion dolls. Well, actually big ones too. They're just a whole bunch of earrings for a little price, and I bought some and I bought some more. Let's see what's in this one. I don't want to cut too far over because I'm not sure if all my fabric came. Okay, these scissors gotta go. I know. They're dead. Oh. Well, okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, I bought some little teddy bears. These things are so cute. I love these things. They are really cute props, and they're really fun to put in a Happy Meal. Look, they're articulated. Their little no, these heads don't move, but their little arms and legs move. They're just cute. They are the perfect size for a Neo Blythe doll. Just the cutest. So I bought a dozen, right? A dozen, I think. Oh, looks like 14. What do I get?
15.
15. Well, I better check that order and make sure I got them all or got enough, or if I have too many. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.